Have you noticed earthworms disappearing from your garden? It's not a mystery. They're reacting to their environment. Earthworms need just the right amount of moisture to breathe through their skin. Too dry, they suffocate. Too wet, they drown. They constantly migrate in search of that perfect dampness. Adding compost helps, but if your soil swings between bone-dry and waterlogged, worms will still leave. Food alone isn't enough. Stable shelter is essential. Their absence signals that your soil conditions are too extreme. Earthworms aren't pets. They're wild creatures seeking the best habitat. If they vanish, it's a message. Your soil's moisture balance needs work. Learn to read this sign, and you can create a garden where earthworms thrive and help your plants flourish. To keep earthworms, focus on soil structure. Well-structured soil acts like a sponge, absorbing and slowly releasing water. Mix compost and organic matter into your soil to create this effect. Sandy soils dry out too fast. Clay soils get waterlogged. Neither is ideal for worms. Organic matter creates pores for air and water, giving worms a stable home. Mulch is essential. It shields soil from sun and rain, keeping moisture and temperature steady. Without mulch, soil bakes or compacts, driving worms away. A simple mulch layer protects the delicate balance worms need. Cover your soil, and you'll make your garden a long-term home for earthworms. Healthy soil structure and mulch are the foundation for a thriving worm population. Tilling and heavy digging destroy worm tunnels and soil structure. Instead, feed the soil from the top. Bury kitchen scraps just under the mulch. This method prevents pests and keeps food accessible for worms. Water deeply but infrequently, aiming for soil that feels like a wrung-out sponge. Check moisture by hand. Cool and damp is perfect. Dry or muddy means you need to adjust. Avoid flooding or letting soil dry out completely. These simple habits create a steady, inviting environment for worms. Gentle feeding, careful watering, and minimal disturbance keep worms working for you. Consistency is key. Give worms no reason to leave. Chemicals, synthetic or even some organic, can poison earthworms and disrupt their habitat. Avoid fertilizers, pesticides and herbicides whenever possible. Even small chemical imbalances or pH shifts can drive worms away. Temperature matters too. Worms thrive in cool, stable soil. Mulch insulates against summer heat and winter cold, keeping worms active longer. Without mulch, soil temperature swings stress or kill worms. Protect your soil from chemicals and temperature extremes to keep worms healthy. A safe, stable environment lets earthworms do their vital work year-round. Think like an earthworm. Stop tilling, build soil upwards, and always mulch. Add compost and organic mulch to create a moist, stable habitat. Bury kitchen scraps under mulch for food, and water deeply but not too often. Avoid chemicals. Trust healthy soil to support healthy plants. Earthworms are your garden's engineers, improving aeration, water flow and fertility. Their castings naturally fertilize your plants. A thriving worm population means your soil is alive and resilient. Earthworms are partners, not decorations. They're the foundation of a healthy garden. When you see worms, you know your garden is truly alive.